Hello everyone, I have a new story to share with you today. This is a song tale. It's called Had a Little Rooster. It's adapted by John Feierabend and it's illustrated by Jaime-Lynn Morrow. I hope you enjoy this. This is a cumulative song. So just like the story, the little old lady who swallowed a fly, that's cumulative too, and we know what that means, just building on the story and adding on. There's some animal sounds in here too. I hope you can sing along and make animal noises with me. This is Had a Little Rooster. Oh, there's something on the balloon. Do you see what's on the balloon? It's an egg. Had a little rooster, and my rooster pleased me. Fed my rooster 'neath yonder tree. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Had a little cat, and my cat pleased me. Fed my cat 'neath yonder tree. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Had a little dog, and my dog pleased me. Fed my dog 'neath yonder tree. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Had a little duck, and my duck pleased me. Fed my duck 'neath yonder tree. That little duck went quack, quack, quack. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Had a little pig, and my pig pleased me. Fed my pig 'neath yonder tree. That little pig went quack, quack, quack. That little duck went quack, quack, quack. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. What are they all bringing to the barn? Had a little sheep, and my sheep pleased me. Fed my sheep 'neath yonder tree. That little sheep went ba, ba. That little pig went quack, quack, quack. That little duck went quack, quack, quack. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. Had a little cow, and my cow pleased me. Fed my cow 'neath yonder tree. That little cow went moo, moo. That little sheep went ba, ba. That little pig went quack, quack, quack. That little duck went quack, quack, quack. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. I wonder who they're bringing the balloons for. Do you remember what we saw on the first page? Had a little horse, and my horse pleased me. Fed my horse 'neath yonder tree. That little horse went neigh, neigh. That little cow went moo, moo. That little sheep went ba, ba. That little pig went quack, quack, quack. That little duck went quack, quack, quack. That little dog went arf, arf, arf. That little cat went meow, meow. That little rooster went cock-a-doodle-doo, dee-doodle-dee-doodle-dee-doo. It's a chick birthday party. Awesome. Here's what the music looks like when you're trying to learn it if you've never heard it before. I hope you enjoyed our story today, and I hope you're having a nice day, Comets.